This is Dr. Furnace. Today, we're Dr. Wind. This wind generator has been here for about 3 years. We've been testing it. It has not failed. It's capable of generating up to 1200 watts, typically between 200 to 300 watts when it's turning steadily. Right now it's going too slow to make electricity, and the wind is actually less than 5 miles an hour. As you'll notice, down here on the mounting bracket that I'm zooming up on, the only thing holding it is this. And the 4x4 that it's standing in. There is nothing else holding this wind generator. This wind generator has been here since before 2006 and is still flying fine. More to follow. Have a good day.